install Python. Open your browser, just type Google and just search Python download. So it will show you the Python org. Once the Python org this will come, you have to just click on that one and you will find the download option on the Python website. It is a official website of Python. So we have multiple options over here for the Windows setup, Linux, Unix, Mac OS and other is also there. We can also download Python for Docker images, and if you want to download the lower versions for that one, so below we have multiple options available over there and you can download that version and can use your Python in your system. So we'll download first the latest Python version over here. It's a 3.9.1. So it is downloading. Okay, it's download successfully in my case. So we just double click on it and we'll find the option to install and customization install. You can directly install these things. So it asks you the permission, just allow yes. Sometime it will take time, but just wait for that one, and setup is in progress. Once the Python will install, we will check the version of it. Okay, now the Python was successfully installed in my system. We will check the current version of Python. So just open the command prompt and just type the Python dash dash version. So you will get the latest version for this one, but in my case it is showing 3.8.5 somehow. If you want to write any code for the Python, you have to just write the Python. So it will move to the Python interpreter and then you can write your code also. First, the basic code for the Python is hello world. If you want to do a math operation also, it can help you like this and print 2 plus 3, it's a 5. It is a basically a very powerful language. There is a multiple packages available we can use on Python and built on the Python. So it, on built on Python. Okay, if you want to do on another operations like multiplication, you can do the same way also here. So it will showing like just doing the math operation without doing anything. You can write your basic core code in this command prompt also. There is no need to install any other third-party tools for that one. In future I will explain you how to install the third-party tools and how to use them. And if you want to exit this interpreter, just write the exit and enter it. So you will out of this interpreter